All right, hello and welcome back to another one. We finally got to the top of the mountains. We went, we got some food. Now we're gonna go do this loop and hope that it's fun. Okay, so we go this way. So the thing is that I have to take this very chill because I've never been here before. But it'll be fun. Oh my god, they got horses! Slow corner, slow corner. Nice. Ooh, I like this. Alright, let's get it, baby. Damn! That shit popped right in my face. That shit was loud. There you go. Get it, Gabs. There you go. Yeah, get that knee out a little bit. Yeah, open her up. Good shit. I don't know how this video is gonna go. Considering the fact that we're in the mountains, I can't really be a big YouTuber mode right now. I'm gonna have to focus on the curves, because obviously this is life or death that we're talking about. Oh no! I want to hit this so bad. If you go out and then in. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to get... Oh, okay. Wait a minute. No. Being behind her is good. She's going at a good speed. Nice little learning speed. We gotta follow her. Easy. Calm down. Relax. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Breathe. Okay, we're good. Leave it in third gear. Do not go past. That's the rule. Mainly because we got people behind us. Can we get a nice little turn to please? I had no clue where we were. Oh shit. There's the gas station he told us about. I didn't even acknowledge that guy. I feel so bad. Reduce speed ahead. Alright, what do we got up here? Oh, the state park. Cool. This is where I messed up last time. This was where I messed up. I think this is what I took that one time that I got lost and had to do like 300-400 miles. I love talking about it. Oh.
Hold on.
Cut it?
No, my chin strap is, my chin strap.
Has it been like that the whole time?
Yeah. I've been trying to tell you, but it's all good. Because it was messing with my,
Damn.
I took it off to when I was fixing it, remember? And I never plugged it up.
What do we...
We're still waiting. Are we going the right way, you think?
I have no clue.
You said right at the stop sign, right? You didn't say if it would be facing us, because I know those weren't facing us. You looked at it, but... Then just keep going, and if we feel like we're in the wrong spot, we turn around.
What? What the fuck? Okay, now we're good. Now we're good. We're good. Was that dumb to do? Was that dumb? To just blast my horn like that? Oh my god, dude, I want to commentate so bad, but I have to be so locked in. Oh, that was fun. So they weren't too far behind, so that means I didn't go too crazy. Yeah, I could be behind you, bro. I could be behind you. Oh my god! Yes! Woo! Oh my god! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it! Hit it, hit it! Oh my god, my arms are tired! Yeah, baby! Blah, blah! Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't believe I saved that! Oh my God, bro! Oh fuck, dude! Oh my God, I wanna cry! Oh fuck, bro! Oh my God, that could have been so bad! Oh my God, that could have been so bad! Oh fuck, bro! Thank God I knew what I was doing! Oh fuck, bro! Oh my God, if I would have had the 360! Oh my God! Oh my God. Please tell me you got that.
Got what?
Please tell me you got that.
I didn't get anything.
You're kidding.
I had to stay behind for her.
You didn't see me almost die?
No.
Oh my
What are
God.
you doing right there, bro? Did you go down? Or you almost did?
You want to see?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to end the video. I'll see you in a second.
Bro, that's a crazy... Yeah, bro. I knew... It was...
I don't... No. You need a hug too. Come here.
Bro, what did you do, bro?
I deadass almost died. I'm not fucking with you.
Yeah, I'll see you if you go and
Nah, we need a... I got two locked in.
Yeah, and then you came up on what, that big right hand bend?
Yeah.
That shit was wild. That's all I'm saying. I had to go so slow to make sure she could handle it and tell her when they're coming, because that's... No, don't be sorry. Those are...
You're learning.
You take that too fast and you're down there. That's what happened to bro with our...
What almost happened to me.
Yeah, you...
Excuse me, I'm filming here. I am filming here, sir. Just a quick little one? Just a quick little one?